Hello everyone, this is the given question. At what temperature will the RMS speed of oxygen molecule become just sufficient for escaping from Earth's atmosphere, right? Given to us are the mass of oxygen molecule and Boltzmann constant. Let's discuss the solution. As per the question, the Vrms should be equal to the escape velocity. And we know the escape velocity for Earth is 11.2 km per second. That is 11.2 into 10 to the power 3 meter is equal to RMS speed for oxygen molecule is 3 kT and upon m up under root, right? From here we can find the value of t. We square both sides and take the variables on the left hand side. Has given the value of t as this. Now all we need to do is insert the value of m and k given in the question. When we do so, the value of t comes out to be 8.360 into 10 to the power 4 K. That is Kelvin. Okay.